When it comes to innovation in water purifiers, Livpure has always been at the forefront to give 100% Sampoorn Suraksha against waterborne diseases. Introducing Livpure Platino Plus Copper, world's first RO with 70% water recovery. Now save 20,000 liters of water every year. This next generation water purifier has a lot to offer. Platino Plus Copper provides pure water which is enriched with copper and essential minerals. It has an in-tank UV sterilization for protection from bacteria, and its intelligent filter change display informs you in advance the need to change the filters. Its Feather Touch interactive touch panel makes dispensing experience delightful. Smart customized water dispensing offers convenience of dispensing one glass, one bottle and continuous flow. Platino Plus Copper is more than just a water purifier. It's a step towards conscious and intelligent living, ensuring that our today and tomorrow is safe and pure.
And regular ROs makes the problem worse by wasting 75% of water. Introducing Platino Plus Copper, world's first RO with 70% water recovery. Livpure's HR70 technology. Save 20,000 liters water every year. Become a water savior now. Sign up and refer your friends and family as well. Top 10 water saviors. Win a chance to meet and greet Sachin Tendulkar. Come on India, Livpure.